Good afternoon everyone, my name is Ans. Today I want to tell a presentation of video which I watched yesterday. In this video we know how time is precious for ourselves. So let's start. Once upon a time, a small boy, Nakul, slept on his bed. Then his mother comes and said, Nakul, wake up and get ready for a school. Then Nakul said, Mom, my school start at 7:30 a.m. I have many time to get ready. Then Nakul slept. Then his mom said, you did not know today is your picnic day. Then Nakul wake up and said his mom, yes mom, today is my picnic day. Then Nakul go go to take go to brush goes to brush his teeth. When he brushes teeth, his mother stand it backward and said. Then his mother said, Nakul, you will take many time to brush your teeth. You will take so much time. You take so much time to brush your teeth. You did not know how time is precious for ourselves. You do not know how time is precious for ourselves. Nakul said, yes mom, I did not know how time is precious for ourselves. Then his mother said, okay, I tell a one story. You understand how time is precious for ourselves. Once upon a time, a small boy Rohit lived in a town, and he was very lazy and he did not do any work on a time. Then once day the Rohit coach said all the students, today we will go for a camping on a highest peak of mountain and see the sunset. Then all the students and Rohit said, yeah, okay sir. Then the Rohit's friends said, Rohit, you will not ready for a camping on a highest peak of mountain. Then Rohit said, oh sorry, I go to get ready for a camping. Then Rohit go. When Rohit come, his friend said, Rohit, you took so much time to get ready for a camping. Get ready for a camping. Then Rohit said, sorry, and they all start camping. When he do when he do camp when he does start a camping, after some time they Rohit said they Rohit take break without take a permission without takes permission by his coach. When his coach see and said, Rohit, you will did not take a permission, and you will not did not take a permission. I also did not said to take a break. Then Rohit said, sorry sir. Then Rohit start the camping. After some times, the Rohit coach and his friend reach the highest peak of mountain and see the sunset. Then Rohit see here and there nobody and said, where is my coach and his friends? Because the Rohit walked slowly. Then Rohit run fast and reached the highest peak of mountain, and he also missed the sunset. Then he see nobody is here. He start a cry. Then the coach comes and said, Rohit, you will did not understand how time is precious for ourselves. You know, because you do all your work, you do not do all your work on a time. Then Rohit understand and said his coach, sorry sir, I understand how time is precious for ourselves. Then Nakul mother said, Nakul, you also understand how time is precious for ourselves? Then Nakul said, yes mom, I also understand how time is precious for ourselves. Then Nakul get ready for a picnic and go. The moral of the story is the time is very important in our life, and we do all the work on a time. Thank you.